Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn what is Actuator, how you can implement Actuator in your Spring Boot application. So what is Actuator? Actuator is a Spring Boot application health monitoring tool. Health monitoring tool means automatically if you want to diagnose your application is running and what kind of activities and what kind of service you are running in your Spring Boot application, which you don't know because you are creating these application, but behind this there's so many infrastructure is available to display this information in a Spring Boot. So what are those services? Those are making your Spring Boot application and how they are running. What are the background services? Those are supporting your REST application. Like I have creating this REST API in Spring Boot. So all these things we can check with the help of Actuator. So Actuator is a Spring Boot health monitoring tool. So many options are there to check your information in a Spring Boot application. So how you can implement Actuator in your application, that we are going to learn. For implementing this, you have to open POM file. Under the POM file, you have to create on this add Spring Boot application dependencies, and here we have to find the Spring Boot Actuator like this. So just click on this, otherwise you can find out here if it is not available here, and just next do this and click on the pom.xml file here and click on finish. So it will update and you will see that Actuator is inserted here. Then we have to go to the property for using this. So here is the property. Here I have to write management dot endpoint dot web dot base path. So that path should be Actuator like this. I want to run Actuator with the help of this URL. You can change this also if you want. Then second thing, what kind of information I want to get from this Actuator. Those there are so many get from this. So there is a exclude, include. Remember that we have to select the include here because I want to include all the information that is available in this application. I want to check all the information by using this URL because this is a health monitoring tool. So I want to check the health of all the modules those are available in this application. Remember that we have to put here include this one. Now we have set the Actuator. Now what I have to do, we have to start this application. So click here and I'm starting the application and this application is running now. So now everything is done. We have inserted the dependency, we have set the URL, we have to set the property which we want to read, all the information we want to read. Now go to the browser and here we have to pass the URL Actuator. Click here. Now you see that these are the information which you can check by using Actuator. So we can check how many beans are there. So just click here, copy, and you see that, and I paste here and you have all the beans available in your application. Then if I want to check the health of this application, means the application is running or not, you see that Actuator, I go to health, copy this and I just replace this URL, and now this time it's showing me that application is running. Now I can pass some condition type of information if you inserted. So for that you can go there, conditions, go there and replace this one, enter this. You see there are so many conditions which are applied already in your application. Everything is there, and so many information which you want, like metrics we have. You see, I go to this, copy, and I have to replace this here, and these are the metrics which are available here. So these are the mapping, scheduled task. If you have scheduled any task in your application, so you can check the already scheduled task in your application. Just copy, paste here. You see there's no scheduled task right now, but you can set whatever you want. Remember that by using Actuator, you can find out the health of you can check out the health of your application, whatever you are doing in your application, and everything is available in form of URL. If you use some, you can say, application, those can read these report in HTML format. So you can install those library also in Spring Boot. With the help of those library, automatically these Actuator information will be displayed or converted into HTML format, and you can read those information easily in GUI format also. So Actuator is the inbuilt library in Spring Boot that you have to enable, and with the help of this library, this Actuator facility in Spring Boot, you can monitor the health of your application. It's an inbuilt facility in Spring Boot. It is required also because Spring Boot run in the background, and we have to, if there is an error in your application, then you have to find out the error. So with the help of Actuator, you can diagnose your application and it help to find out the problem in your application if some problem is coming. So this is called Actuator. If you like this, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.